This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to be jamming together, playing some songs, you, me, and the band, working on our newer focus chord especially, which is A minor, right along with other chords that we've learned previously in the lesson series. We're going to be using strumming patterns that we've used previously as well for both 4/4 and 3/4 time. It's going to be super fun. Now, this video does accompany Lesson 9 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. We're going to be starting on pages 52 and 53, playing 5 different songs from that lesson, jamming together, you, me, and then I've got the band track that we're playing these chords right along with, which makes it super, super fun. Okay, so A minor should be familiar because I introduced it in the last video, but I've got it up here on the board. If we run into any other chords that you're not familiar with or you've kind of forgotten how to play, there is the little cheat sheet at the back of the book, towards the back of the book, or the reference sheet. It's not really a cheat sheet, but a reference sheet that'll help you know how to play all those chords in first position. So you can use that, or you can flip to earlier spots in the book and find where it explains them if you need a refresher on any of those chords. We're going to be using strumming patterns for 4/4 time and 3/4 time that we've done a lot with. So down, down, up, down, up for 4/4 time, or down, down, up, down, up for 4/4 time, or down, down, up for 3/4 time. With the songs that we're going to be playing in this video, we'll have some times where there's 2 chords per measure with the 4/4 time. With these, I've introduced in previous lessons lots of different ways you can handle those situations, and you can use any of those approaches when playing the songs. I'm just going to tell you that as I'm playing the songs in the book, I'm going to use the strumming pattern that is assigned to that song, and I'm just going to use that strumming pattern straight through the whole song. So if I'm using down, down, up, down, up, down, up, then when there's 2 chords per measure, I'm going to use the down, down, up for the first chord and the down, up for the second chord. So if I was going to A minor to E and back and forth, each half of a measure, it would be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So that's how I'm going to treat those situations. When it's the down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern, I'm going to anticipate across that little syncopated part by going down, down, switch on the up strum. Down, down, switch on the up strum. So I'd have down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So just like that. Now in 3/4 time, which we're really not going to run into 2 chords per bar with that one, but that second chord will either come in on beat 2 or beat 3, and it just depends on where it's written. But if it was written on beat 2, I'd have down, 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 down. If it was on beat 3, I'd have down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So that's how we treat those. I'm not going to go ahead though and go through these songs specifically with you. I'm just going to say we're going to jam on them. And each of those songs, just like in the last video, will have that strumming pattern written above that we're going to use for that song, whether it be the down, down, up, down, up, the down, down, up, down, up, or the down, down, up for 3/4 time. The other 2 are 4/4 time. With this video, we're going to be starting with song number 5 there at the bottom of page 53, and then we'll do numbers 14, 16, 17, and 18. So number 5, and then 14, 16, 17, and 18, just using the strumming pattern that's written right there. So with number 5, for example, you got the down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern that is written there. Each of these is going to happen at 2 different tempos, first at a slower tempo and then at a faster tempo. So it'll be super fun. If you're tripping, there is some faster tempos being used in this lesson, the videos that go with lesson 9, because at this point we've learned these open chords and we've worked these strumming patterns so much. So now I've got to push those tempos a little bit and help us get used to strumming a little bit faster. So if it's pushing you out of your comfort zone, then just mute those strings, relax that arm, and try to just strum rhythmically right along with me. Then worry about getting the chord changes happen. Then try putting the 2 together. For the sung melodies, you can worry about singing without strumming, and then try and sing with just the strummed rhythmic figures, and then strumming and singing and playing those chords all at the same time. So you can do that. But let's go ahead and jam together on these 5 songs, starting with number 5. It's going to be super fun. Let's do it. Okay, fantastic. I hope you are having fun with this as we continue with the lesson series. In the next video, we're going to be working on the D minor chord. So that's the other new chord that we get in lesson 9 from the method book. So we're going to learn that chord and play some songs that use that chord. It's going to be super fun. Take care, and I'll see you then. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.